can I just be the first person to say I love seeing this country by train? Ah, shoot. Hey, Vivienne, no biggie here, but did you need that money for anything?
Hand over the money.
They already got us.
Oh, perfect. Well, I'm really glad we stopped for lunch, Jim.
All right, the bandits' trail leads to Golden Stream. But look sharp, fellas. To get there, we gotta cross through Indian territory. Look.
Am I speaking with Mrs. Kowalski?
I like their long shirts. Tell them. I like your long shirts.
That'll show 'em, separating those carpetbaggers from their money. Huh, and their Tux medicated pads, too.